Hi guys, let's make mango pudding. Take a saucepan, in that add mango pulp, 1 egg yolk, 2 tablespoons of sugar and milk. Then blend it. Then take one container, grease it with the oil, then pour blended mixture into it. Steam it on a low flame for 30 minutes. For white pudding layer, take another saucepan. In that add egg white, 2 tablespoons of sugar and milk, then blend it. Layer this white pudding mixture and then steam it for another 30 minutes. Cool it at room temperature and then freeze it. And then decorate it with mango cubes. And it's ready to eat. If you like this video, then comment below, and if you are new, then subscribe.